Here in Shillong could ask for further extension of the the remand so that they can quiz and corroborate information that are.
शॉर्ट की गाड़ी आ गई, एक बार चेक करना पड़ेगा।